Hi everyone, in this video for grade 6 we have 10.2, which is about circumference of circles on page 235. Circumference, we mean the distance around a circle. In the other lesson 10.1 we studied perimeter, which is the sum of the length of the sides of a polygon. Polygon, we said those shapes which is composed of sides, made by sides. In this one we called perimeter the distance around the shape. In here we call it circumference, the distance around the circle. So perimeter and circumference, nearly they have same meaning, both of them, the distance around a shape. But circumference we normally use it for circles, and perimeter we use it for the polygons. In circumference we have two rules, which is they came by the same meaning. Pi multiply diameter. If the diameter is given, we use pi multiply diameter, or circumference is 2 multiply pi multiply radius. If in a question radius is given, r we mean radius, d we mean diameter. We studied before, diameter is a line from one side of the circle to the other side which passes through center, and radius it is from center to the circle. If radius is given, we use 2 pi r. If diameter is given, we use pi diameter. They are same because diameter is 2 multiply r, twice as radius. Diameter is double of radius, twice as radius. So for these two questions, each one of them asks you to find the circumference. One of them diameter is given. So in this case, when diameter is given, we use the first rule, which is pi multiply diameter, and pi it's a constant number, always 3.14 in decimal form, or in the fraction form 22/7. 22/7 is 3.14. They are same, but generally we use this one, 3.14 by the decimal. We find the circumference of the circles. Circumference is pi multiply diameter, because diameter is given, or diameter multiply pi, same. So we say 3.14 multiply diameter, which is 5. Let's do this calculation. 3.14 multiply 5. We do it without point at first. 5 multiply 4 is 20, 0, 2 in the up. 5 multiply 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. 5 multiply 3 is 15. We had two numbers after the point, so we put 1, 2, we put the point, which is circumference is 15.70, or we can say 15.7, because we know zeros at the end after the point. At the end we can erase it. 15.7 meters, the circumference. So if this is 5 meters, so this would be 15.7 meters. The other one, we can see the radius is given, which is 35 centimeters. In this case we use the second rule, which is 2 multiply pi multiply radius, or you can say 2 multiply radius multiply pi, same. If you change the places, because all multiplication it's same. Circumference is 2 multiply radius is 35, pi is 3.14. These two would be 2 multiply 35 is 70, 70 multiply 3.14. Let's do the multiplication. 3.14 multiply by 70. We can put the 0 back down, and 7 multiply by all of them. 7 multiply 4, 28, 8 and 2 in the up. 7 multiply 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. 7 multiply 3 is 21. we had 2 digits after the point, 2 numbers after the point, so 1, 2. It is 219.80 or 219.8 centimeters. That's how we can find the circumference of a circle. If diameter is given, we use pi multiply diameter. If radius is given, we use 2 multiply radius multiply pi. That's all about circumference. Thanks for watching.